Hello everyone, today I'm at Ashfield. So here's probably a something train. Yeah. Enjoy the video. That might be a terminating train.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to CTV.
Anything you want to say?
No, turn the camera around so you can say
I
something.
can't.
Yes, you can. Just tap the screen.
I can't.
You can.
I can't.
Give me, let me have a go.
I tried.
You sure?
I really tried. I tapped the screen. I think it's only using for photos. I don't know.
No, you can do it, but maybe not while it's filming.
That's right.
Stop it and start it again.
No. It's a Saturday afternoon. I'm just filming afternoon trains at Ashfield. I did a nighttime vlog like a month ago, but it turned out very bad. Anyway, here's a Tangawa passing platform 2. I think it's going to somewhere. Okay. Very good. So platform 1 and 2 does not have trains, but platform 3 and 4 has, and platform 5 probably has too. Is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, I've got the hair sticking out and maturity.
Sorry. Going at the end of the platform to film the City Circle train coming. Yeah. It's a bit windy and hot, sunny day, and yeah. Ashfield sign.
Central. First stop, Redfern, then Central.
This train is coming on platform 2.
Oh, shit, sorry to hear that.
Here's a passing train on platform 1. Does not stop.
Yeah, I know. That's the trouble. Yeah, no, say hello to the old man with you,
Here's graffiti on the train.
Yeah. No, it's been a long time since I haven't seen your dad for bloody nearly 40 years.
that was a nice guard. This doing a
The next train to arrive on
This-
platform 3 goes to
this thing
City Circle
for some reason.
via Town
But it's
Hall.
okay.
First stop, Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. The train on platform 4 goes to Central. First stop, Redfern, then Central.
I might take a tour of I don't know what's this thing is, this number of the train.
Only the Zalia.
So here's the Ashfield sign, here's the guard compartment, and here's the sign for this map, and here's the Ashfield thing, and he is the downstairs, and he is the upstairs of what I don't know what number. So I just take a tour of the train before the next train comes. This train is 9 minutes for the City Circle via Town Hall, and for the Central service will be on platform.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 does not stop at this platform. Please stand. Please stand clear. Goes to Central. First stop, Redfern, then Central.
You're gonna have a Waratah coming this way in a minute if you want to film it.
Oh, what's that?
I said you have a Waratah coming this way in a minute.
Oh,
if you
good.
want to film it.
Good, thank you, sorry. Yeah, all right, listen, I better go, but keep in touch with me. Not together, but I think I've got enough to build one. But you're talking for a V8, I take it, not for a 6-cylinder.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's that quick. Put one together, and how much?
What I'll do, I'll have to check, let me check next week, and I'll see what bits I've got there, if I've got enough to bloody put something together. All right, I better go, mate. I'll talk to you later.
Here's a
Thank you, mate.
Waratah
See you later, mate. Bye, thank you. Bye.
going
Bye.
slow, and here's another Waratah
Yeah, speak up loud, mate.
departing platform 5. I think it's platform 5. Here's the Central service passing platform 1.
Here comes another one behind you. Thank you, mate.
That's why I love this station. Penrith by Stratford service passing. A11 is set. A11 passing Ashfield. Yeah.
Goes to Central train. First stop, Redfern, then Central at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Filming lots of trains here. Yeah. Enjoy the video. So I love talking, so yeah.
Does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Again, Dad, I went on that carriage.
This one?
No, the front one. Right there, I showed the walk view. I should do a walk view of it.
It's nearly going, isn't it?
it's
Yeah,
okay.
she's not very friendly. She'll let you film.
It's fine.
The next train to arrive.
She might be going soon, but not me. No way shuttle towards central Sydney or turn back. That's an interesting sign. Tangara passing platform on the check how much minutes this train goes if I feel like doing a walk through of the train. Ashfield sign. Sorry, I had to. This vlog is not requested by anyone. Just letting
The train
people
on
know.
platform 4 goes to Central. First
5 minutes
stop,
to it.
Dover,
Can I film
then
you?
Central.
Interview you? Yeah, give it here. Give it here. Let me interview you. Here we go.
Yep. Today.
Maybe stand that way because it's a bit dark. Righto.
Today I'm at Ashfield, requested by no one. I'm just at Ashfield on a Saturday afternoon after work, and yeah, just filming trains. And there's a wild car on platform 5 arriving after yes. Yes. Thank you for 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Please get me to 200 subscribers if you can. And yeah, now I'm up to 115 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. It will be much very, I don't know what the word is. Very sure, I don't know. Sorry.
That's good, mate.
Here's another train departing platform 5, and you see I don't know what set it is. A13 at Leppington Fire Shuttle service. So after this vlog, I'm going to probably somewhere around Sydney, somewhere, but I don't know. So yeah,
Please remain behind the yellow
that will be the
line.
end of this
And allow
perfect
others to get off
and
before
amazing video by me.
Want to go to Central?
Yeah,
Save them coming here. It's a bit hard for them to get here.
I might wrap
You want to do
this,
that? We'll go to Central. We'll get on this train.
I might wrap this video up. Please like and subscribe, and there might be another train coming. So enjoy the video. Bye for now.